we all are standing in discussion. The students who are standing here, they are learners. And every day you all are getting some of the new topics. As today you have got about trees and plants, that what is the importance of these both in our lives. Today you have got something from Sanawad. He has spoken about education also. What do you thought about this discussion? That is this discussion important for learners?
Basically, sir, this type of discussion is too much important for learners, especially those who belong to this institution. And sir, especially why this institution has lots of name and fame. Because of this type of environment, sir. When we participate in this type of environment, definitely, sir, we got lots of things and we get lots of things. And sir, day by day we develop our graph, because sir, our graph is on the top, means day by day when we are regular and we are punctual, sir. And again, only education and English are basic things, and means for commanding on that things, we do lots of practice on that matters. Sir, after means improving a lot inside our soul, inside our means mental ability, that type of activity and that type of a specific topic and a specific subject and topic, that is too much beneficial for a student, especially a student, sir. When sir we enhance and when we grab that type of activity, then definitely our graph is on the top, definitely, sir.
Aryan, how are you feeling to explain all the students about trees and plants? Today you have got a new topic about trees and plant. Tell about your feeling. After explaining, how are you feeling inside of you?
Sir, I am feeling very well, because when turn comes to me, then I feel very well to explain about any topic, because we are learning this language. And for a student, explaining about a topic, about anything is very important, because as soon as we get a new topic to explain about that topic, then we feel very well, because we enhance, we put forward our matters, we put forward our thoughts, then what type of thought, what type of matter we have, and there we realize that what type of quality I have and in how much what I am. So when I have explained about trees and plant also, then I felt very well, because as soon as I have explained, then I have got many more things about plants, about trees, that what is the importance of trees and what is the importance of plant, and these are very important. So sir, I am feeling very well, and of course, not to speak of me, even any student, whenever they get chance to explain about a topic, about anything, then they feel very well, because
Okay, can you say something about this one? That what is this called in English?
sir, first one, this is called knob, and another one is bud.
This is called bud also and knop also.
Yeah, this is called bud also and knob also. And these are this means we all know this is a leaf of this plant, and this is a stem. This is a stem of this plant, and here there is no flower, only here bud is available, but there are lots of blooming flowers are available. The importance of flower and trees are not only for looking attractive, for giving us oxygen. There are variety of works of plants and tree and the flower. Whenever people go to worship, there they use blooming flower. For decorating our houses, we use that flowers, and especially in ceremony, we use marigold flower, because that looks very attractive. In that flower also there are many varieties, yellow, red, orange, that comes, and when we attach one to another, then that looks very attractive, and we decorate our houses, and our houses looks very attractive. Whenever any type of functions, any type of program comes, then there we decorate there, and there we make them in sequence, and that looks, and that makes our houses attractive and look, and we feel also good whenever people looks that decoration, they attract, then how they have decorated. And in that we use roses also, that looks also attractive, and in rose we look, there are many varieties in rose also.
Okay, Aryan. The students who are standing here, they have listened you very carefully. What would you like to say to them?
Sir, I am very thankful to them that have listened my explanation very carefully, and I am thankful to you also that you have given me this opportunity. You have chosen me in all of them. I am very luckiest that you have given me, and I am thankful to them also that they have given their precious time. And of course, not to speak of them, even whenever we get chance to speak, whenever we get chance to listen, we should do our work honestly. No matter I am speaking, then of course another day they can come. They will be on the place of me, and they will explain. So of course anyone everyone's turn comes, then as soon as our turns come, we should utilize, and we should give our 100% behind our work. Thank you for listening.